Well, I want to talk about a little bit about the issue of classifying employees versus contractors and how it can come back and burn you. And in our current state right now, it's come back and burnt a lot of people. You know, we have this PPP program, right? Paycheck Protection Program. Guess what that's for? Employees, payroll, Paycheck Protection Program. Well, if you had all your people at 1099, they don't count. You can't help them, right? So if they're self-employed, guess what? What the government said is they can get their own PPP program. In other words, they can apply for it themselves. So really, you kind of got yourself in a difficult situation. Now, that if you didn't do it for nefarious reasons, if you didn't do it improperly, that's okay. It's just the way it is. But there's another reason also why it's really important to classify your workers, whether they are self-employed, in other words, they're independent contractors, or they're in fact your employees. Now, the IRS used to have this 20 some odd questions that you had to answer, and that one would determine whether you are actually an employee or you are a contractor. Well, now they've reduced it to about 3, and it's not about so much questions as it is a concept. But really what it comes down to is this person that you're contracting with really a contractor? So a contractor is somebody who owns their own business, takes their own risk, and if they do a poor job, they actually lose money. An employee, on the other hand, is someone that you're actually taking full risk for, right? So, for example, if an employee breaks a camera, you're not going to charge them for the camera. You can't. You legally can't charge them for the camera, right? But if a contractor breaks something, yeah, you can actually sue them for it, right? So that's the big difference between the protection that an employee gets versus an independent contractor gets.